Alias Magical Art. Hello everyone, it's Alia. Today I'm drawing colorful delicious ice cream. Let's draw and paint together.